Hey everyone, welcome back to Calm Sensations. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of side hustles. If you're looking to boost your income, explore new opportunities, or pursue your passions while working a full-time job, you're in the right place. I've scoured the internet, spoken to experts, and compiled the top 10 best side hustles for 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. E-commerce and dropshipping. First on our list is the ever-popular e-commerce and dropshipping side hustle. With the rise of online shopping, starting an online store and selling products has become more accessible than ever. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce offer user-friendly interfaces to get your store up and running quickly. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory, making it a low-risk venture. Number 2. Freelance writing and content creation. Are you a wordsmith with a passion for writing? Freelance writing and content creation might be your ideal side hustle. Many businesses and websites are constantly seeking engaging content, and platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect writers with potential clients. Whether it's blog posts, articles, or social media content, there's a demand for skilled writers. Number 3. Online tutoring and teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, consider online tutoring and teaching. With the growth of e-learning, platforms like VIPKid and Teachable allow you to connect with students globally. Whether you're teaching languages, music, or academic subjects, this side hustle offers flexibility and the opportunity to make a positive impact. Number 4. App and web development. Tech-savvy individuals, listen up. App and web development are high-demand side hustles. If you have coding skills, you can create and sell mobile apps or build websites for clients. The app market is vast, and businesses are constantly seeking developers to enhance their online presence. Number 5. Graphic design and digital art. Calling all creative minds. Graphic design and digital art can be a lucrative side hustle. Businesses and individuals often require logos, social media graphics, and illustrations. Websites like 99 Designs and Dribbble allow you to showcase your portfolio and find clients in need of your artistic talents. Number 6. Real estate investing. Real estate investing has been a tried-and-true side hustle for many years. While it requires more significant initial capital, it can generate passive income over time. Whether it's rental properties or real estate crowdfunding, this side hustle can provide long-term financial benefits. Number 7. Photography and videography. If you have a passion for capturing moments, consider photography and videography as your side hustle. With the demand for visual content on the rise, businesses and individuals are constantly seeking photographers and videographers for events, product shoots, and promotional materials. Number 8. Social media management. Are you a social media whiz? Many businesses struggle to maintain a strong online presence. As a social media manager, you can help them by creating content, engaging with followers, and growing their online community. Social media management tools like Hootsuite and Buffer can streamline your efforts. Number 9. Virtual assistants and admin support. If you're highly organized and skilled at multitasking, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs and small businesses need help with administrative tasks, email management, scheduling, and more. As a virtual assistant, you can provide valuable support from the comfort of your home. Number 10. Personal fitness and wellness coaching. Health and wellness have never been more crucial, and people are seeking guidance to lead healthier lives. If you have expertise in fitness, nutrition, or mindfulness, consider offering personal coaching services. You can conduct virtual sessions and create personalized plans to help clients achieve their wellness goals. And there you have it, the top 10 best side hustles in 2023. Whether you're looking to pursue a passion, earn extra income, or diversify your skill set, these side hustles offer fantastic opportunities. Remember, finding the right side hustle for you depends on your interests, skills, and time availability. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.